Right, well,
This Ferrari 308 GTS sat abandoned for nearly 15 years. It belonged to John, a retired police sergeant who put his dream car on hold to support his family. When Tim and Fuzz finally found it, the car was in rough shape, rusted body, crumbling wheel arches, and everywhere you looked, the car was badly damaged by rust. Even under the hood, things were leaking and falling apart. It was a massive restoration challenge, so they didn't give up. They needed rare parts, expert welding skills, and a special touch. They rebuilt the V8 engine, custom fabricated panels, restored the brakes, and coated it in that famous Rosso Corsa red. Now, John is about to see his Ferrari again, and he has absolutely no idea what's waiting for him.
that is your Ferrari.